Hmm. The Lagos Igbo Hangout, Edition 1. At first, being the event planner for this event was not easy, I would say. First of all, my stature made them look down on me. Hey, this small girl. I was the event planner for Lagos event, Igbo Hangout Edition 1. Yes, Oma Food Villa and Events. That's my name. My name is Upa Obuji Delightsome. I am the direct younger sister to Umpa. First of all, he looked down on me, was like, you can't handle this event because of the vision him and his committee had for this event. And I was like, okay, let's see. But due to the fact that finances did not come early and I was the only option, he was like, okay, just try your best. I want to say thank you to everybody that helped me make the event come true. Handling the event that the capacity was about 3,000 plus was not easy. Actually, this was my ever first time to handle such a crowd. I was dumbfounded. I became rude. I became tired. I cried. From the stage to the decor to the renting of the chairs to the canopies to every single thing you saw in that field. I want to also say thank you to Kedu Brand who gave me the opportunity to be their decorator for Lagos, the Lagos Igbo Hangout Edition 1. A big shout out to them. I want to also say thank you to Life for their decoration. It was wow. I want to say thank you to my team, Omas Food Villa and Event. It was a big success. I want to say shout out to Friend Beast Rentals. They came true for me. I cried at some point because it was not easy. I want to say thank you. I packed the souvenir. So at first, when I was telling my brother I want to make a souvenir, he didn't thought of it. So I traveled to Cotonou to make my cup because we wanted this thing to look traditional, and I made the cup from Cotonou because we grew up at Seme. So I had a friend then that makes all this traditional stuff, and I was like, wow, this thing will be good. So I packed the souvenir with a lot of love, and I've got a lot of remarks from it. I want to say thank you to the committee who gave me the opportunity, even with my small size, to showcase the talent that God has given to me, from the food I made to the decor to every single thing. I want to say thank you and God bless you.